You know what? Very, very soft. Very, very soft.
Yeah.
Normally it's a little bit harder.
Mine's quite cheesy.
Yours is cheesy? Oh, yeah. Crazy. I'm standing here with my buddy Kevin, who is a very famous YouTuber. Tell them about your channels.
Well, right now just Kuma's Kitchen.
Kuma's Kitchen is the best cooking channel in all of Japan. If you want, actually all the world, if you want to know how to cook great recipes, go check it out. What was the recent magazine you featured in? I forgot the name of that one.
Food Tribe.
Food Tribe featured him recently. And we're about to try Taiyaki. Now, what's unusual about this place is actually a regular shop. Taiyaki is actually one of the most popular festival foods out there. So you take it in, you eat it during festivals. And we're gonna try it here. They got different flavors. They got custard. This is the typical one, which is azuki bean, which is the most common one out there, right? This is actually made of that sweet beanie thing that's popular in Japan. Actually, when I first came to Japan, I thought this was raisins, to tell you the truth. It looks like raisins. Does it not look like raisins?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
It's I hated it when I first came to Japan, but now I love it. And then there's cheese, and then there's chocolate. So here we're gonna order. Chocolate tea. Okay. So we have one chocolate. What do you want?
Well, as a Swiss, I'm going to try cheese.
Cheese. And I'm going to try the standard Japanese one, the beans. I chose the chocolate to azuki to custard.
And cheese it.
Cheese. Cheese. No. Chocolate, azuki, cheese.
So,
Made a mistake. By the way, this is the coolest minimal wallet you can ever buy. I might do a video about this in the future. Three of them only 420 yen, so we're talking like $4 here, guys. Alright, so cheese it on the game.
this is chocolate, right? Chocolate, what is cheese?
Chocolate for the camera lady, which we want to hear your opinion after you. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and eat the, you know what? Very, very soft. Very, very soft.
Yeah.
Normally it's a little bit harder. At least that's been my impression at festivals.
True. Let's see what it's like.
Okay, so I got this traditional one. The very traditional one. It's the sweet bean one.
Mine's quite cheesy.
Yours is cheesy? Oh, yeah. Crazy. Mine, to be honest, the taste is a little bit pasty. It's not, actually not as sweet as I was expecting. Some places, it's weird, they have different type of beanie taste. Some are really, really sweet, some are like the soft, more pure Japanese style. This is very pure Japanese style. It's not as sweet as you would expect. It goes down really smooth.
Mine's like a camembert cheese, I think.
Camembert cheese. So these fish, Thai is actually red sea bean. So look, you see it's the shape of a, it's actually the shape of the CB shrimp, CB fish. By the way, this video is totally off the cuff. We weren't even planning this, and we're just doing it now, so having a lot of fun. And we're gonna let the camera person try one and then give us her impression. How is it?
Thank you.
In English? Come on, in English? Good? Alright. Cheers, this is Chris from Beers in Japan, having a lot of fun watching this channel. Please subscribe. I decided to do something from today forward. I was talking to Kevin, who's with Kuma Kitchen's massive successful YouTube channel. He suggests I do a contest. So I'm going to be giving away at the end of July something massive to one subscriber, something Japan-based thing. So subscribe to this channel and then make a comment below in the videos that you subscribe, because I can't, YouTube doesn't show me the subscribers. There's only one way I'm going to know that you subscribe is if you comment. So you got to subscribe and you got to comment. So subscribe and comment. I'm going to keep a record of it. And at the end of July, on July 30th, I'm going to put all those names in a hat. And the camera lady is going to pull the names out of a hat. Cheers, this is Chris. We'll see you in the next video.
Good deal.